Before we talk about the core material, I would like to talk about why I put together this class and what you will learn. A lot of my friends actually ask me this question: what I should pick when I receive a compensation package. When you receive your offer letter, it entails a few information. For example, your base salary, which is the salary that you will get from the company. There may be like a target bonus as well. It can be 10% or 20%. In addition to that, you may often see stock-based compensation. And stock-based compensation comes in many different forms. There are many different types. For example, ESPP, RSA, RSU, and so on. These letters may not make any sense to you, but most of the time, these stock options will play a very important role to your overall compensation package. And this is why you should understand what is the consequence and what option you have in order to maximize your compensation. We'll definitely go through all of these together. In addition, when you join the company and working for the first month, you will need to probably make some decisions on your healthcare options and also your retirement plans. Your healthcare options is something very specific to you and your situation, so we are not going to talk about that. What we are going to focus on will be your retirement plan options. You may have heard a few terms like 401k, and there's a traditional plan and a Roth plan. And for your 401k account, whether the company is matching your contribution or not will play a significant role as well. Should you take advantage of it? How much you should be putting in it? These are all kind of questions that we'll be answering in this class. You may also heard about individual retirement account, IRA, and that is something that you can take advantage of as well. You may already find that there are lots of information here that we're going to cover. What I attempt to do here is to put together the information in a structured and organized way so that you can understand each piece and how everything works. Of course, there are a lot of information that you can search online. And actually, when I started working, I did that. There's actually not a single place that I can find all the information in a structural way that is easy to digest. I'll be doing that in this class. One thing that I would want to point out is that this is not a tax class. But when we talk about stock-based compensation and retirement plan options, tax plays a very important role. So it is essential for us to go through some tax concepts so that we understand what's going on. With that said, let's go through the agenda.